How to enable or disable prioritize focus over speed in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then tap on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, we now scroll down and tap on camera assistant. Then we scroll down and tap on prioritize focus over speed. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here's a wait for the camera to finish focusing before triggering the shutter. This may delay the shutter slightly. So we want to prioritize focus over speed. So switch it on so that you can have a very clearer, more focused picture most of the time. And that's it. Here you can just focus on it, and then the camera will try to focus on the picture first before it will capture the picture. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.